Good morning once again, and welcome back to this marvelous Monday. It's a marvelously wet Monday, but that's okay. I like a good rainstorm. They're very calming as long as it doesn't get too crazy out there, and I don't think it's supposed to. We have gotten a lot of rain. I just checked our rain gauge, and it says we've had almost 2 inches of rain down here close to Bay City, so I'm sure you guys are almost as much or more up there. So stay dry, stay safe, but have a fun day inside. All right, let's look at this. There is already a video up for this. If you haven't seen it, go back and double check it out so that you can make sure you have this taken care of today. I am going to help you out with the story problem in just a second. We are on Unit 2, Day 11, so start digging that paperwork out. It's a problem about grapes. For your 4s, make sure you get those in your head today. I know some of you are more comfortable with the 4s, but when we get down into the 8s and things like that, you kind of lose confidence. But if you know your 4s, your 8 shouldn't be so bad. Because if you know this and you happen to know what 6 times 4 is, half of 8, that's 24. 8's just double that, so 6 times 8 must be 48, which it is. Same thing, if you don't know necessarily what 8 times 10 is, but you know 4 times 10 is 40, 8's just double that at 80. So if you can get your 4s under control, it might help some of you with your 8s. And then there is a video up for your total 10 game. Make sure you check that out so you can practice that during the week. It's kind of a tricky one, so it's a brain teaser meets a constant challenge, and I bet some of you are really going to like this game. All right, let's jump into our problem. Remember, we're on Unit 2, Day 11, right up here. We have 852 pounds of grapes were packed equally into 3 boxes for shipping. How many pounds of grapes will there be in each box? So first things first, check your sentence, check your label, think about it. We have 852 pounds of grapes packed equally into 3 boxes. So how many pounds of grapes will there be in each box? What label are you thinking needs to be in your sentence? If you're thinking pounds, good job. Make sure that word shows up in your sentence somewhere. And let's look at your picture. We have our starting bar. I know I'm dealing in grapes packed, and that's happening in pounds. So I'm going to put that little reminder down here. LBS is the abbreviation for pounds, in case you were wondering why I just wrote those letters. So let's draw our bar out here. What do I know about my bar? Do I know a total at all? Like how many grapes were packed? Yes, I do, because it says right here, I put 852 pounds of grapes into the boxes. Okay? What else do I know? I know they're packed equally into 3 boxes. So I'm going to have a box 1, a box 2, and a box 3. And they're equal, so my boxes better be pretty close to equal. Now, my bars aren't perfect here, but my size of box is pretty close to equal because it says equally packed. So now the question is, how many pounds of grapes is there in each box? So I'm wondering about that box right there. Now, before I leave you, think to yourself, I've got a total, a part, and I'm missing a part. So I have this, and I'm hunting for this guy. So what am I going to do? It's either going to be a subtraction or a division problem. So think to yourself, subtraction means you're removing parts, and division means you're putting them into equal groups. Which one are you thinking you're dealing with today? If your brain's saying division, good job, because you're trying to split those things into equal parts. Okay? So, you know some methods. There's a division method video up there for you if you need to go back through and watch some other methods if you don't want to do traditional. But I hope you guys have a great day. I just heard another thunder, so stay safe. Have a great day, guys.